Hello, in front of me I have Haylou GST watch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on the quick panel you should see the brightness icon, the one that looks like a sun rather. Tap on this icon, and here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. Once you're done, simply press the side button to go back, like this. You can also adjust the brightness through settings, so let's swipe down from the top of the screen again to open the quick panel, tap on the settings icon. In settings, select the brightness option, and again we can adjust the brightness by tapping on the switches or other buttons, and then press the switch to go back, like that. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.